Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we're going to be planning in my social media Erin Condren planner for the week of March 2nd through the 8th using this January 2025 exclusive kit from DesignsByMel. I have been hoarding this, obviously, since January 2025. Actually, I think it was like March is when it finally arrived, because it's from overseas and there was a lot of shipment issues, but finally had gotten it, and I've been hoarding it for a long time, and I decided that March is going to be like an all book, all relaxation theme for me, and I thought this kit was just perfect for that. So this is what you get with an exclusive kit from DesignsByMel. You have the full boxes, the washi and date covers, you have the appointment labels, and what are these called? These are the labels, I guess. Then you have the half and quarter boxes, you have a couple of full box decoration ones, and a couple of more quarter boxes. You have the decoration for like the functional items. I don't know why I said decoration for functional, that's functional. You have the scripts, checklists, a couple of deco pieces. You have all this washi, more deco, and even more deco. So that is what you get with an exclusive kit. Love this kit so much. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this week's plan with me. Okay, y'all, it is officially March, which means that YouTube memberships have officially launched. We have officially launched our YouTube memberships, and I am very excited about it. I have been waiting for a very long time to launch this. I had planned on launching it back. I'm trying to figure out which way this washi goes. I think it goes like this. I had planned on launching this, the YouTube memberships, back in February. But I had decided that I wanted to make sure that everything would be perfect, everything would be lined up, I'd have videos ready to go for you guys. So that is all done. I have officially launched them. So if you guys are interested in becoming a member of the Planner Lover or Crafty Lover tiers, then you should definitely go check out my announcement video. I just launched it. It launched at 9 a.m. Whoops. On March 1st, which was this past Sunday. So if you are interested, you should go check it out to see all the fun things that have been talked about and discussed. And I don't know, I think it's fun and I think you should go check it out. That's all I have to say. I'm not gonna say anything else, but I think you should check it out. I uploaded a video that talked about, oopsie, I needed to put this guy after. Anyway, I uploaded a video that talked all about the memberships, and then I did a membership only video where you can see my 2026 word of the year and some pages that I decorated in the back of this planner. So if you're interested in seeing that, again, it's a YouTube exclusive membership only video. So I had a lot of fun making it. I'm doing another set of videos this month. I think there's 2 to 3 every month, so lots for you to browse around and watch. Right now, I'm just taking all of this washi in this kit, and I'm figuring out what I think I want to do this. Because I was thinking about using this one, but I think I like this better. What do you guys think? I love the book theme. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm going to go over here onto this side and grab, that's what I was looking for, these guys. I want these boxes. This one is cute. And I think, hold on, I want to cover this up, and I think I'm going to cover it up with this coffee cup box. Oops. Yeah. I wasn't going to, but I think I am. Because I'm going to put some washi up there, which means I'm going to put like this. Okay, wait, actually, hold on. Wait. Back up, rewind. Where did the washi strips? There they are. I'm going to put this washi strip up here. Like that. And then I'm going to grab the checklists. These are what I wanted. Let's do one here. You know, I think she may have designed this to fit the Erin Condren kit. I can't remember because it's been such a long time since I have been on her PR team. And I remember asking, and I don't remember what the response was, to be honest with you. Because it was such a long time ago, my brain is not functioning like it should. Oh, you know what? I am going to put this other strip right here. Like this. Because I'm going to put a box there. And then we'll put this guy here. And I'm going to put this strip down, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So we shall use probably the gray. I don't want to use the gray though. That's crooked, isn't it? It was. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to do that with another box. Let's use this one. This will be for my Samuel planning post. And I think I'm going to put this book flag here like that. There we go. That looks cool, in my opinion. It might not be cool to you guys, but oh well, I like it. Alright, and then this is going to be my filming it and editing lists. So let's do one here and one here. And I kind of want, you know what? I was going to say I kind of want to put this here, and I'm going to. Why? Because I want. No other reason. Alright, then actually, hold on. I might have to move all that up because I am going to grab these labels. We're going to do these two. Yep. I am going to have to move this up and lay this out. Okay, move this up. And then we're going to put this label here. What in tarnation, Megan? There. Now it looks a little bit better, right? I think so. Is this box, are these labels? These are labels. I kind of don't want this to be a label box. I kind of want this to be, you know what? That's okay because it's my planner and I can do what I want. So we're not going to make this a label box. I've got to find my tape. I don't remember where I put it. Oh, it's right here. So in order to make this not a label box, we are going to just tape it together. And I'm probably going to take the tape off of this after I do this, but I like to do this just so that I know that the box is secure when I cut it out, because sometimes when you do this, the box does not want to cooperate. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, my thought is to kind of layer this. Have it like that, maybe. I like that. That looks pretty darn cool to me. We're gonna keep it there. Do I care? Nope. Okay. Let me get the full boxes now. I don't know if I'm gonna need this. I don't think there's a filming and editing here, so I'm probably not gonna need this yet. See, this is another label box. We'll figure that out in a minute. I need the deco / the full boxes. Here we go. And then these. This is what I'm looking for. So more full boxes and deco. If I wanted to do another layering situation, I could. And I think I'm going to layer this one. Tweezers. And I kind of want the bookshelf, or the chair to show. I realize that it's almost the exact same sticker as this, but that's fine. I like this layering situation that I've got going on here. I could add this other small label box, if I can find it. Here we go. I could add this one down here, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to leave it. I might add it later, but for now, we're not going to worry about that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to add these boxes because they're cute and I like them. So that's why we're doing that. I'm going to try and alternate them between sides to see if that will work. Let's see, 3, yeah, there's enough to do all 8. Let's do this one. Okay, oh look, daylight savings time. Great, I'm gonna lose sleep. We love that. We love losing sleep. Yay us. Super exciting. Well, yeah, I guess we'll do it this way. Alright. No, I don't like that. I'm gonna switch. You're gonna go here. And then you're gonna go here. I like that much better. I didn't like how it was trying to box me in there. Cute. Now I should probably put in the days of the week because that way it'll tell me what else I need to add. It'll make life easier as well. Okay, there we go. I'm not going to add any boxes because I feel like if I do, it's going to take up way too much space. So I will save the boxes for a different spread. However, I am kind of thinking, where did this one? I am going to add a little bit of this deco only because the rest of the deco I can save for a different spread. But here I can add a little bit of deco. So with that, maybe I should also add the washi strip. I feel like that would be too much too. No, we're just going to do the deco, Megan. We're just going to do the deco and that's it. So let's put, okay. We're going to add the deco over here because it's going to make life easier if we do it over here. We'll do this one. And I think this one would be cute right here. And then this one, let's put, well, hold on. I do want to put something here. I don't want to overwhelm the paper. However, we can do this. and the jukebox. Cute and fun. Alright, I feel like that is going to be plenty. So guys, even if I didn't add the deco and I just did that, we still have tons of this kit left over. Like, when I say tons, I mean like a lot. I didn't use any of the boxes. I have a ton of deco left over, tons of boxes, the checklists. I have a lot left. So like, honestly, I'm not even upset. Like, this is plenty to make another kit with if you wanted to. So yeah, I am very pleased. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Erin Condren social media planner using this beautiful kit from DesignsByMel. This kit is not available because it was a January exclusive. However, she does have other kits in her shop that you can get. All of her PR team members and their codes linked in her Instagram, so I will leave her Instagram link and her information in the description box in case you are wanting to shop. I love Mel's shop. I think it's so cute and so fun, and I definitely think that there's a lot of planner goodies for you to get there. So definitely check her out if you are interested in getting some really cute kits and enough items that you can get literally everything. Like, there's so much of the kit left over that you could make another whole spread. If you want to see more of my Erin Condren videos, you can check out the playlist. It will be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, along with everything else that I mentioned. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!